What's going on, you guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the fact that I got 6 dividend payments in the month of February, and that totaled $444.99. Not quite the highest dividend payment that I've gotten in one particular month, but that's the thing when you have dividends that pay monthly versus dividends that pay quarterly. Anyway, we're talking about the 6th dividend payment that I got in the month of February. But hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so it's been a while since I've talked about the dividend payments that I've gotten in a specific month. So of course, it's now at the making of this video, it's March the 9th. So I'm a little bit late with this particular video, and we're talking about the 6th dividend payment that I got in the month of February 2022. Now, my portfolio has taken a huge hit, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Of course, currently going on right now is the war in Ukraine. Russia is has attacked Ukraine. So of course that has affected what's going on with different things pertaining to the stock market. So of course my portfolio reflects that. And this is an interesting dynamic because of course I know the stock market goes up and down. But man, when I say it's gone up and down pertaining to my particular portfolio, that's definitely the case. And of course, it matters what kind of stocks or companies you're invested. And that, of course, will overall dictate what happens in your portfolio. So because I have a lot of shares with Apple and Tesla, those two kind of run my portfolio. And so there's been a lot of movement. Okay, so I will be showing you guys that and the 6 dividend payments that I got in the month of February and what those companies are. So right now I'm going to put on the screen for you guys my current portfolio with Robinhood. So as you guys can see, you see it right here on the screen. This is live right now at the making of this particular video. And so for today, my portfolio has gone up $10,000. You can see that right below the $264,000 that I'm investing right now. And so today it's up $10,500 right now as of making this particular video. However, when I click on the 1 week, I'll show you guys in the last week, it's been down $7,400. The last month, it's been down $27,000, $27,000 in the last month. And I mean, even lower than that, to be honest with you, right? The last 3 months, it has gone down $36,000. Okay, so $36,000 in the last 3 months. And the purpose of me showing you guys this is what you can expect to experience. Not necessarily the case for everyone, because of course we're not going to be invested in all the same stocks and the same amount of weight in a specific company. Like for example, Apple might be like 50% of my portfolio, which of course, somebody will say that's a nightmare and that's suicide. Don't do that, right? Because you got a bunch of gurus out there. I'm not one of them. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. All right, so that's for the last 3 months. I'm down $36,000. For the last year, I'm up $36,000, okay? But if I show you guys here the apex of my portfolio, you can see that I was at $315,000 on January the 3rd, 2022. And then of course, you can also see that I was way down $251,000. So it's definitely, been a journey. Overall, since I've started investing on Robinhood, I'm currently up $6,000, okay? But of course, there were times when I was up over $50,000. I'll show you guys here, right? So like you can see, or 40,000. So you can see here, December 31st, 2021, I was up 42,000 overall since I started investing on Robinhood. But I just like to show you guys that because I want you guys to see, what you can experience in regards to investing in the stock market. Now, I do want to bring your attention to the buying power here that you see on the screen. It says $184,000, but that's because I have margin investing turned on Robinhood. So I really don't have $184,000 of buying power because that's margin investing. That's not my money. That's money that I'm borrowing from Robinhood and paying. It used to be 2.5%, but now it's 3% because of course why not raise it? So that's what it is currently. All right, so I'm gonna pull up right here and show you guys on my account the 6 dividend payments that I got in the month of February. At the bottom of the screen, you can see AGNC investment. I got $23.95. On February the 10th, you can see from Apple, I had got $137.72. Of course, it matters how many shares you have, right? So if I scroll down a little bit, click on AGNC. At the time, I had 199 shares, and they were paying 12 cents per share, which is why I got $23.95. Then with Apple, I had 626 shares, and Apple's paying 22 cents per share, which allowed me to get $137.72. I also have shares with Kinder Morgan. On February 15th, I had 110 shares, and they're paying 27 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $29.95. Then on February the 17th, I have shares with Prospect Capital, which allowed me to get 1,515 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a payment of $90.96. And then another chunk with Armor Residential REIT. I have 936 shares. They're paying 10 cents a share. I got a payment for $93.63. And then on February the 28th, my last payment in February, because I have with Gladstone Capital 1,058 shares, they're paying 0.065 shares, and I got a payment for $68.78. So those are all the payments that I got in regards to my dividend payments in the month of February. Of course, I do want to dig a little bit deeper and show you guys where I'm sitting currently with each of my companies that I'm invested that I got payments for. So with the first one being AGNC, I was doing pretty good, but then of course, you know, it's definitely taken a dive since the war started. So currently my average cost per share is $14.95. My overall return is down now $328 with AGNC. And then, of course, I have Apple. My average cost per share right now is $149.58. My total return is I'm up $16,000, which is pretty cool. That's exciting. And then I have Kinder Morgan. My overall return is I'm up $410. My average cost per share is $14.62. I hope you guys can't hear the lawnmower in the background. There's cutting going on, and I'm trying to get through this video. The next one is Prospect Capital. My overall return is I'm up $1,263.76, which is always good. Then I have Armor Residential REIT, my love-hate relationship here. My overall return with them is I'm down $2,877. And I've seen this as much as $3,400, $3,600 where I was down. My total return is down that much. And then, of course, I have Gladstone Capital. My overall return is I'm up $54.28. Okay. The stock market has been definitely interesting. Like I've mentioned before, in all honesty, my portfolio has dropped way down here. You can see it. Where is it? $236,000, February 24th. Okay. And we're talking about, I personally have invested let's say 254,000 just to make it easy math. That's how much money I have invested. I can show you guys that here. So you can see here, because there was no investment from like 2017 all the way to 2020. And since May of 2020, I have invested altogether $253,830.30. Okay. So we're talking about my portfolio, you know, has gone down all the way down to $236,000. Let me show you guys here, $236,000, which is still, you know, at my worst, I was down $63,000. So, but that's before I made some solid investments and kind of sold all my position and jumped on the Apple and Tesla bandwagon, which has done well for me in the past year and change. All right. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. Once again, I'm not a guru, nothing like that. I just want to show you my experience in regards to the stock market and show you what's possible. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.